Hello everyone, my name is Monica Lynn James and I am sharing my Drawing Online class and a little tour of how students navigate the course. This is from my fall 2020 class, but I'm currently working on some changes and updates for the upcoming spring quarter. The class actually begins with an email that is sent out to students a week before the start of the course to prepare them to gather their drawing materials. There are things like charcoal, sketchbooks, erasers that students will need to gather as their drawing materials. And I then send out a welcome announcement with a brief video, it's just a 2-minute video of who I am and adding a human touch to this course, which meets completely online. There is a brief description of the course and then a link to the Start Here module. I have the course initially set up to start with this page on the first day, and then the course changes to the modules. Everything in the course is organized in modules, which are kind of like folders or containers for all of the content. The Start Here module includes instructions on how to use Canvas, discussions, and netiquette to give students some framework for acceptable use in discussions and what's okay and what's not okay. And for the rest of the modules, the content is organized into learning materials where they'll access content, articles, videos, demonstrations, and vocabulary, any vocabulary that they need or instructions that they need, and the learning activities, which includes both the instructions and also the turn-in, the submission through Canvas. I realized in going through the Quality Matters course that I want to add a link to my syllabus, both in my Start Here module and within that welcome discussion. And that the course also really needs a syllabus quiz to maybe follow that content and a brief video tour of the class so that students know how to navigate. There's several syllabi. This is a stacked course, including level 1, 2, 3, and 4. The syllabus is here in Canvas and also in a form that students can download. Students can also navigate directly to announcements. I send out announcements every week. So this is from my fall course. We have all of my old announcements. They can navigate directly to assignments, discussions, grades, pages, and quizzes, but I usually guide students to use the modules because I kind of arrange the content thematically. So if you just go to the quiz, you may kind of just see the quiz, but not the content coming before. So that is just a brief overview of the course navigation. I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much.